What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mark's Builds. In today's video we're going to be working on the KTM 50 I just picked up for $50. It's a 1998 and it's kind of rough. The plastics were repainted before. It's been a little fun little pit bike, but let's get to work. Take the plastics off so we can get to the motor into the carburetor and then clean the carburetor and try to get it running. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so let's get it taken apart. Alright, it got spark, guys. Pretty good spark, so let's put the spark plug back in. Alright guys, so now I'll spray some carb cleaner in there and see if it'll start up a little bit. Just started a bit. Alright guys, we got it started one time, but let's take this carburetor, take it apart, clean it, and then we could try putting it on and try getting it started again. Alright guys, so I got the carburetor hooked back up, I got it cleaned up a little bit, and now let's get the gas tank put back on and pour some gas in it and take it outside and see if we can get it started. Alright guys, I got it propped up on the bucket. Let's pour some gas in it and then try starting it. Alright guys, so I just picked up a brand new carburetor, because that's from the newer model, and that's why they cut the frame on the bike so they could mount that one, but I bought the original one. It was hard to find, but I ended up finding it. So let's get this carburetor installed, and the bike should be able to run really good, so let's get to work. Alright guys, so we got all that done. We got the carburetor on. The cold air doesn't fit on it, so we're probably going to have to buy the original filter that goes up under the seat. But let's go take it outside and see if we could get it started. Alright guys, let's see if we could get it started one more time. See if we could get it to stay running. So it doesn't really stay running. I don't know what the problem is, and the suspension might be shot, but it's a good little bike. So stay tuned for the future episodes of it. But it needs quite a bit of work. It seems like the clutch is bad. Maybe not, maybe. I think it's bad. Guys, if y'all know how I could adjust this carburetor to get it running right, let me know down in the description below. But I'm gonna try a bit more, and if I don't get it, then that's gonna be it for today's video. Alright guys, so I could get it running, and when I tried to drive it, the clutch seems bad, so we might have to replace that, or maybe it's because it's still not getting enough fuel, because I could get it started for a bit, but then it dies because no more fuel goes to the carburetor. And there's no mixture screw anywhere on the carburetor. There's this idle screw, but that's it on both sides. There's no mixture screw. So, I don't know, guys. If y'all do know, probably let me know down in the comments below. But we could get it running for like 20 seconds and then it dies on us. But stay tuned for part 2, where we're going to be restoring the plastics and getting a seat for it and making it look really nice. So stay tuned for that. But I did pay $50 for this and my budget is $200, so stay tuned for the build and don't miss out. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. We got the dirt bike running. We can't get it to stay running because I don't know how to adjust the mixture screw on it because I can't find one. But if y'all do know, let me know down in the description below. But stay tuned for the next few parts. And if y'all enjoyed it and haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. But thanks for watching and see y'all next time.